Video, I'm going to show you how to make exponents in Google Slides. If you've ever wanted to add a little mathematical flair, write out equations, or simply highlight information with superscript text, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to log in. Make sure you sign in. This way, your work will be saved automatically and you'll have access to all the editing tools. Once you're at the Google Slides homepage, you'll see the option to either start a blank presentation or pick a template. For this demonstration, let's go with a blank presentation so everything is clean and simple. Just click on blank and a new presentation will open up for you to work on. Now that your presentation is ready, navigate to the slide where you want to add the exponent. You can select an existing text box or create a new one by clicking on the text box option in the toolbar. Once you're inside the text box, type the number, word, or formula that you want to use. Here's where the superscript magic happens. Highlight the exact character or number you want to turn into an exponent. Then look at the menu bar at the very top of your screen and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover your mouse over text and a secondary menu will show up. From that list, find and click on Superscript. The moment you do that, the selected text will rise slightly above the baseline, giving you that proper exponent look. You can repeat this as many times as you need for different parts of your slide, whether you're working on math problems, chemical formulas, or even footnotes. And here's a quick tip. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+Period on Windows or Command+Period on Mac to toggle superscript instantly. This is a real time saver once you get used to it. So let's recap. To make exponents in Google Slides, you open your presentation, type in your content, highlight the character, head to Format, choose Text, and then click on Superscript. That's all it takes to make your slides more professional, accurate, and visually clear. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow.